How to update Zomato app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Zomato app. In order to update the application, first of all you will need to open your Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. And if you are using the iOS device, you will need to access the App Store available on your iPhone. Now once you open your Google Play Store, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be able to access the search bar in this page. Simply tap on it and there type in Zomato. Once you have entered it, now search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Here find the authentic Zomato app and then simply tap on the app icon to reach inside it. Here, if an update is available, you will see an update button next to this install button. If you found it, simply tap on it and wait until it gets installed. After updating the application, you can simply tap on this open button and explore the new features in the application. Also, if you'd like to avoid the manual updates, then you can simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right in the space, and then here you can simply tap on this checkbox that says Enable Auto Update. This will help you to update the application automatically. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Zomato app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.